So I just make a very good discovery right now. Like, I've tried various type of PixelLab every time, in which I tried some and I lost my POP file, and I made a video on that, which I didn't even realize that my POP file are gone. But when I'm recording the video, I have to find a solution to the app, because when I open the app and I try to use my shape is bringing something like red sign or something like that. If you also face this type of thing, you've tried to test out the PixelLab, now the PixelLab that you installed has an issue, and the one you are previously using is still giving you an issue. Because when I open this shape, it's not giving me shape. I was getting a cancel sign on it, and then I figure it out one way or the other. When I do this, do that, and I get to the point, while I was trying to reinstall this one for me to get it back, I actually update the app, in which the app previous one is still inside this one way or the other. They are still colliding together and it's not functioning very well. And the best part is that when I opened this app in the previous video, I realized my POP files are gone, and to my surprise, when I made this, when I check it, and now my POP files are back, everything are back. That's very cool actually. Because I've been trying to think, how will I get some of these projects back, but it's fine. Let me just show you how I do it. When you jam this type of problem that I'm into, like you tested the PixelLab and your POP file were gone and your PixelLab is not functioning the same way, because if you come to the shape, you can try it out, come to the shape and click on check mark, it will be giving you a cross sign, like a red cross sign, that this is not working here. So the thing you just have to do is come down to PixelLab. You can hold on your app or go to your settings and just find the app info. When you get to the app info, go to storage and cache and clear the cache and the storage. This will automatically give it a reset to its normal app, to the normal app that you were using before. So it will automatically reset it. But I don't feel right now that I should install that previous PixelLab that crashed everything. Then I should show you the sample of how I go about it. But nah, I'm not doing that in this video. If you face this type of trouble that I also faced, then you can make use of it. You can always come back to check the video to solve the problem of PixelLab crashing totally. And this is actually cool. I'm really happy that I discovered this type of thing very fast. So see you guys later.